A ozone check valve here. So first thing you want to notice on your finding where your hot tub, finding where your ozone generator is. So it's usually near the control pack, and it's actually right here. So we're going to come around the other side. Right here, this is your ozone generator. You see there's the tube coming out of the bottom. You want to locate that. It's usually tied up here in the top, and here is your check valve right here that we're going to be replacing. So you see it's zip tied. So cut, zip tie, get access to the tube, pull this down. Sometimes you got some foam in the way, slide that out. Here's the check valve here. This one has 2 ring clamps to the side. We're just going to loosen those. Back that off. Loosen this one. And then this check valve here is just barbed. They should be able to pop out. Pull one end out. Pull the other end out. So there's the one, the faulty one that's in here. So what you want to look for is there will be a tiny little arrow which way the air actually flows. The tiny little arrow in there. So you want the air flowing from the ozone check valve into the tub. So you want the arrow pointing towards the tub. So it's going to go from here all the way back in through here and pointing towards the tub. So slide that one in there. Just do the same thing. Slide this one in here. Tighten the ring clamp back up. And then you can zip tie this back into place. Your ozone tube up and high. But again, you want that arrow pointing back in towards the tub, and that's how you replace check valve.